Hi everyone, today's makeup tutorial is literally just lashes and lips, because why not? It is kind of like a soft glam, so it's still a full look. You look put together and definitely done, but in a softer kind of way, so that it's not too in your face. Or maybe it is for some people. To me that's kind of natural, okay? Hope you enjoy. Okay, so first things first, foundation. Then concealer. Some days are just a natural touch of concealer and that's it. Other days are, you know, about 20 pounds of concealer kind of days. Today is one of those days, and that's okay. Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder. I like to use the actual thingy that comes with it, just for the eye area, because I can really pack this baby on. My T-zone as well. Do a light dusting kind of everywhere else. For bronzer I'm using Benefit Hoola. For blush I'm using Pinch Me by MAC. And I'm using MAC Just a Wisp as a highlight slash blush topper. Okay, I'm gonna set the face. For the eyes, I'm keeping it really super simple. I'm just using Embark from MAC, and I'm just smudging that along the lash line. And then I'm using my finger to blend it out. You can use a brush if you're feeling fancy, but all my brushes are dirty, so. There you go, and on the lower lash line I'm literally just doing a little bit in the outer corner. Maybe going halfway in. Okie dokes. I'm gonna do falsies. Okay, so today is going to be a wonky lashes kind of day, but that's okay. And I've also done my eyebrows off camera. I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, as always. And this is it. Pretty. And then For my lips, I'm using Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Mama because I like it so much. I love red lip. Look at that. My lashes are about to fly off. That's cool, you know, it's fine. So this is the final look. Very easy, but still pretty. Bye. For blush. Everyone's being extra loud today, which is great. Still drilling, great. So it's, if I could get just 30 seconds to get a sentence out, I would appreciate it.